For M into 2 matrix, in the game theory, M into 2 matrix, next type of problem. In M into 2 matrix, the procedure is same as that of the 2 into N matrix, but the difference is you have to select upper region and lowest point. You have to select lowest point and upper region, and you have to select the higher region, upper or higher envelope. For that you have to select lowest point for reducing any type of payoff matrix into 2 into N matrix. So this is the difference. We'll explain with the problem. Now I have to check for saddle point. So row minimum, column maximum. Row minimum is -2, minimum -1, minimum -3, minimum -4. Maximum in this is -1. So column maximum is 5. Maximum is 2, minimum is 2. Hence, max min is not equal to minimax. No saddle point. If there is no saddle point, then you have to move for next procedure. In this problem, we have taken B1 and B2 as vertical lines. B1 and B2 as vertical lines in M into 2 matrix. B1 and B2 have taken as vertical lines. The distance is same, 1 unit. Here 1 unit we have taken as 1/4 because of good results. And the maximum is 5. Minimum is -4. It is there in your problem. The same thing I have taken here. Maximum and minimum I have taken. Now we will draw the lines. For B1 and B2 I have to draw the lines. Right, A1 lines -2 and 0. -2 for B1, -2 for B1. For B2 it is 0. This is first line. And call it as A1. Directly you have to write which line it is. Then second line, A2 line, 3 and -1. This is 3 -1. Now draw the lines to join 3 -1. Call it as A2. Call it as A2. Next line, A3, -3 and 2. -3, 2. -3, 2. Call it as A3. Then A4, 5, -4. Call it as A4. Now I have to select highest region. So maximum is here, we will make it as. So you have to select this highest region. In this region, these points will come 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In that lowest, this is called as M. The lowest region you have to select. For that you will get the value of gain. In M into 2 type of problem, you have to select the highest region and lowest, right, the lowest point, highest region, lowest point. Here you will get the value of gain as 0.33. You can check from the graph, you will get. Now it has been reduced from this M. A3 is there and A2 is there. A2 and A3. It has been reduced to A2 and A3. Graphically, it has been reduced to A2 and A3. Now, A2, A3, B1, B2. 3 -1, -3, 2. Right. Now A equal to 3, B equal to -1, C equal to -3, D equal to 2. Write the probabilities as A equal to A1, A2, P1, P2. Sorry, this is A2 and A3 are there. A2, A3, P2, P3. Next for SB, B1, B2, Q1, Q2. Now we'll calculate P2 value. P2 is equal to, the formula is same, D minus C divided by A plus D minus B plus C. That is equal to D minus C. D minus C, 2 minus of -3. 2 minus of -3 divided by A plus D. A plus D. 5 minus B plus C. Minus of -4 plus 4, that is equal to 3 plus 2 5, 5 by 9. You will get 5 by 9. P3 is equal to 1 minus P2, that is equal to 1 minus 5 by 9. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 by 9. So we will get as 4 by 9. Next we will go for Q1. Q1 is equal to D minus B divided by same, A plus D minus B plus C, D minus B, 2 minus 1, 2 minus of -1, divided by same, 5 plus 4, that is equal to 3 by 9, that is equal to 1 by 3. So Q2 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Next we have to find out the value of the game. Before that, we'll write the A to A3. The values are 5 by 9, 4 by 9. For probability B, B1, B2, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Next, we'll calculate the value of game. Value of game can be calculated by AD minus BC divided by A plus D minus B plus C. AD is nothing but 2 into 3 is 6, minus BC is nothing but 3 into 1 3, minus is there, cancelled is there. A plus D is nothing but 5 plus 4, 9, 3 by 9, that is equal to 1 by 3. So value of the game is 1 by 3, or you can write it as 0.33. You can get the same value in the graph. So this is how to solve M into 2 problem. Next, one more problem. Find the saddle point first. We'll do it here only. Column maximum, row minimum. Minimum is -6, minimum is -5, -2, -2. Maximum in this is -2. Maximum is 7. Maximum is 7. So minimax is not equal to max min, hence no saddle point. So when there is no saddle point, you have to start the graphical method. So B1 and B2 are there. I have written B1, B2 with a distance of 1 in it. So 1 unit I have taken 1/4 to get good result. Next, maximum 7 is there. Maximum 7 I have taken. Minimum -6 is there. Minimum -6 on both the sides I have taken. Now one by one line we will draw on the graph. So first line A1, -6 and 7. -6 for B1, 7 for B2. So big line, -6 to 7. Call it as A1. Call it as A1. Next line, A2 is equal to 4 and -5. This is -5, this is 4. Now we'll join these two lines, call it as A2. Call it as A2. Next line A3, -1 and -2. -1, minus 2. Join these two lines. Call it as A3. A4 is minus 2 and 5. Minus 2 for B1, 5 for B2. So join these two lines. Call it as A3. A4, sorry. Then A5 is there. 7 minus 6. Again big line. Call it as A5. So after solving this complete problem, right, the upper region you have to select. Just I will mark here. This is the upper region. For that, the points which you are getting are these 4 points you are getting. In that, the lowest region you have to select, and it will give you the value of game. Value of game is equal to, you will get around 1.15. So from the graph you will get exact value, right? Now we'll calculate whether we will get 1.15 or not. Now this line intersecting A4 and A5, we have reduced it to A4 and A5. A4, A5 are reduced. For that you have to take B1 and B2. A4, A5, that is nothing but minus 2, 5, 7, minus 6 from the given problem. Now we have to write the probabilities. For A4 and A5 you have to write, that is P4, P5. For probability B, B1 and B2, Q1 and Q2. Now the value of A is equal to minus 2, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 7, D is equal to minus 6. Now we'll solve P4. The same formula will be there. P1, P2 with whatever it may be. D minus C divided by A plus D minus B plus C. That is equal to 6 minus 2. 6 minus 7. That is D is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 minus of 7. Minus 6 minus of 7 divided by A plus D, A plus D, this is minus 6, minus 2 minus 6, minus 8, minus 5 plus 7, 12, that is equal to minus 13 divided by minus 20, minus minus cancels each other, 13 by 20. Now we'll calculate P5, 1 minus 13 by 20. So 20 minus 13 is 7 by 20. We will get it as 7 by 20. Now we will go for Q1. D minus B divided by A plus D minus B plus C. This value remains same. Only D minus B changes. Minus 6 minus of 5 divided by same minus 8 minus 12, that is equal to minus 11 divided by minus 20. Again cancels each other, 11 by 20. Right. Now Q2 is equal to 1 minus 11 by 20. 20 minus 11 is 9 by 20. Oh my God, we have to write probabilities. A4, A5, that is nothing but 13 by 20, 7 by 20. SB is equal to B1, B2, 11 by 20, 9 by 20. Next, find the value of the gain. It is given by AD minus BC divided by same A plus D minus B plus C. That is equal to AD is nothing but minus 2 into minus 6, so 12 minus 5 into 7, 35 divided by minus 20. So that value we will get 35 minus 12, 23, minus 23 by minus 20, that is equal to 23 by 20. So we will get here value of the gain is equal to 1.15. You can divide 23 by 20, you will get 1.15. This is how you have to solve graphical method of m into 2. One more problem I would like to solve. So once again, column maximum 4, 5, sorry 6. So minimum is 4. Row minimum minus 3, 3, minus 1, 1, 2, 0. Maximum is 3. Hence 3 is not equal to 4. Max min is not equal to minimax. Max min is not equal to minimax. Hence, no saddle point. Hence, no saddle point. Now, what I have to do? Draw the lines to get 2 into 2 matrix. B1 and B2 are taken as 2 vertical lines. It has been separated by 1 unit. 1 unit is very small, because of that 1 unit I have taken it as 1 unit is equal to 1 unit is equal to I have taken as 1/4. Now we'll draw first line. A1 is 1. A1 is 1. Sorry, B1 is 1. B2 is minus 3. We'll call it as A1. Next, B1 is 3. Sorry, B1 is 3, 5. B1 is 3, B2 is 5. So call it as A2. Next, A3, B1 is minus 1 and 6. Minus 1, 6. Call it as A3. Next, A4, 4, 1. Sorry, 1. Call it as A4. Next, A5, 2, 2. Both are here. A5, 2, 2. Call it as A5. Next, A6 minus 5, 0. Minus 5, 0. Call it as A6. Now, the lowest region you have to select. Sorry, upper region you have to select, and lowest point you have to select. And this will give the value of gain. So it is around 3 to 4, 3.5 around we will get. check by analytical method. So these are intersected by A2 and A4. It has been reduced to A2 and A4. Now we'll take A2, A4, B1, B2. A2 is 3, 5. A4 is 4, 1. Now value of A is equal to 3, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 4, D is equal to 1. Now write the probabilities. SA is equal to A2, A4, then P2, P4. SB is equal to B1, B2, Q1, Q2. Next, write, find the value of P2. P2 is equal to same formula, D minus C divided by A plus D minus B plus C. So that is equal to D minus C, 1 minus 4 divided by A plus D, 3 plus 1 is 4, minus B plus C, 5 plus 4 is 9. That is equal to minus 5 minus 3. That is equal to 3 by 5. So P4 is equal to 1 minus 3 by 5, 2 by 5. Next we'll go for Q1. Q1 is equal to D minus B divided by A plus D minus B plus C. So that is equal to 1 minus B, 5. 1 minus 5 divided by same 4 minus 9, minus 5 minus 4. So 4 by 5. So Q2 is equal to 1 minus 4 by 5, that is equal to 1 by 5. Now we will write the probability. SA is equal to A2, A4, 3 by 5, 2 by 5. SB is equal to B1, B2, Q1, Q2. So Q1 is equal to 4 by 5, Q2 is equal to 1 by 5. Now find the value of the K. AD minus BC divided by A plus D minus B plus C. AD is nothing but 1 into 3, 3. BC is nothing but 5 into 4, 20. Divided by 4 minus 9 is nothing but minus 5. So 17 divided by 5. Minus minus cancels each other. So value of the game is 17 by 5. So this is around 3.4. This is around 3.4. We will get 3.5 have written here. So this is how to solve a graphical method of m into 2.